Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Granblue Fantasy versus error code 010d-0000. The error reads, "Unable to access online features." As per our research, the error occurs when players try to use the online features of the game. In most cases, players shared that they were able to play online before, but after a recent patch or update, they started getting this error. Some users also mentioned that the game freezes after an online match, and when they try to log back in, they get this error. According to our research, this error may come because of temporary glitches, network issues, or a firewall blocking the game. Also, in some cases, the issue may also be with the game servers. The first thing we suggest is to restart your game a few times and check if the error still comes. If restarting the game doesn't help, then power cycle your console and internet. Simply turn off your console and router, then unplug them from the power source and wait for around 5 minutes. After that, plug them back in and restart both. Then check if there is any game or system update available. If so, install them and check for the error again. If the error still comes, then check your firewall settings. Make sure that the game is not being blocked by the firewall. You need to make an exception for the game under your firewall and then check for the error again. If nothing helps so far, then try using an alternate internet connection, such as a different Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot. If this resolves the error, then the issue is with your current network. In that case, try changing some internet settings or contact your ISP for help. At last, if the error still persists, then we suggest you contact the game support and report the issue for further assistance. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.